surprise move by the Kremlin has brought condemnations from leaders around the world, and that could seriously jeopardize East-West relations. In a move reminiscent of past Soviet leadership, Moscow today launched a military crackdown in the Baltic Republic of Lithuania.
The deadly crackdown brought forth images of Beijing's Tiananmen or Prague 68 in its swiftness and disregard for civilian lives. Tank-led paratroopers struck at both the capital's transmission tower and broadcast center. Tanks crushed cars like flimsy toys. We saw one driver dead, trapped inside. Soldiers used nightsticks, smoke bombs, and at last, live ammunition.
Alio. Jau aš, man kolegos skambina, ką tik iš apačios, iš tankiečių lipa kareiviai su šautuvais, su ginklais ir eina į mūsų pastatą. Alio. Aš jau eteryje, atakuoja. Girdisi šaudimą iš visų pusių. Jie įlindo į radijo tašką.